of Alaska, where the wild winds blow. A man and his wife in their first home, a cabin full of love. The call of the wild, shared with the two little girls of laughter in their eyes, living off the land under northern skies. Homesteading life, where the river runs free, fishing and hunting in the land of the trees. Chickens, pigs, and sheep, ducks in a row, sharing our journey. Oh, welcome to the 30 Show.
Can do it.
You're doing good.
Oh, Josh, you guys doing 2 trips?
No, he was.
Do with you guys.
Well, is what I'm saying is he was still another situation to his officer. Yeah.
Yeah.
$99. $101. $103.
Oh God.
Hold on.
Okay.
There you go. Feet up.
Not right this second, girlfriend. Icicles, break icicles.
Why do you want to solve this with that?
My finger's stuck to that.
My man.
Just start driving.
Somebody's been down here. I'll talk a little more. Or we could print. I can't help it. Wait, where are you going? The wrong way. Say that again. We can't do the tops at all. Ripping at the top.
All right, guys, what's up? We were just told that we were not allowed to camp out here. They
It is. You've been sitting in the truck. Warm, are you? Oh man. But not how.
Okay, guys, we were told that we weren't allowed to camp out here. We're in a national forest. We just had a couple cops, troopers, whatever, come out and tell us that no wheeled vehicles or no camping. We're in a national forest out here with 0 signs. So I'm gonna take this video real quick.
See that?
What drop, Mom?
Here's a video for the location we were just at. And the forest rangers come out and said this road in this area is closed. We're in a national forest. We're on day 2 of camping out here with the snowmobile and the Walltent right next to the lake out here. We were gonna do the lake fishing ice tournament. So I'm gonna take this video so you guys can see all around that there's no signs that say you cannot camp. There's no signs that give you any reason you can't drive down here. We were told that this place, no wheeled vehicles, no camping. So we just packed up. It's not a big deal. It feels like our freedom's just being taken away in America a little at a time. We can't even go out to a national forest out in this area and we can't come out here and camp. Still no signs, right? Not a single sign. Beautiful place. You can say why we picked here, and this is way off a beaten road. This road is plowed because it does lead to the boat launch to the lake. As you can tell, nothing. What do you guys think? What is your thoughts? Okay, we just drove a long way from that spot I just last recorded. Still no signs. No signs out here that says days at all. That side does. So, for camping information, this side does say no camping. There's no signs, not even close posted anywhere in the area in the national forest. And it's national forest. What in the hell happened to our freedom? What's going on, man?
In the heart of Alaska, where the wild winds blow, a man and his wife in their first home, a cabin full of love. The call of the wild shared with the two little girls with laughter in their eyes, living off the land under northern skies. Homesteading life, where the river runs free, fishing and hunting in the land of the trees. Chickens, pigs, and sheep, ducks in a row, sharing our journey. Oh, welcome to the 30 Show. With the sunrise they rise, the fire's warm glow. Through the forest they wander, where the wild things grow. Gathering berries, setting traps by the stream, living the dream, living the dream. Homesteading life, where the river runs free, fishing and hunting in the land of the trees. Chickens, pigs, and sheep, ducks in a row, sharing our journey. Oh, welcome to the 30 Show. With the sunrise they rise, the fire's a warm glow. Through the forest they wander, where the wild things grow. Gathering berries, setting traps by the stream, living the dream, living the dream. Homesteading life, where the river runs free, fishing and hunting in the land of the trees. Chickens, pigs, and sheep, ducks in a row, sharing our journey. Oh, welcome to our show. Through the seasons they thrive in the midnight sun. Snowflakes fall, but their hearts are one. Streaming their story, the friends far and near. In this vast wilderness, there's nothing to fear. Building memories with each passing day. The simple life is the Alaskan way. Hand in hand as the world tunes in, living off the land where it all begins. Homesteading life, where the river runs free, fishing and hunting in the land of the trees. Chickens, pigs, and sheep, ducks in a row, sharing our journey. Oh, welcome to the 30 Show. So come join us where the wild winds blow, in the heart of Alaska, in our cabin made of snow. Two little girls with laughter in their eyes, living off the land under northern skies. Become part